What happened, my dear friends? Moments. What happens, my dear friends? Sarah, you must not have hired this room. Shivering like this. Somebody held her hand. And when Sarah turned back, my dear friends. Hello everybody, what's going on, my dear friends? My dear friends, in this video, I am about to tell you a spooky story, my dear friends, which is not true. Okay? You have to understand the sentences, you have to listen the sentences carefully. This is listening practice, my dear friends. Okay? So be brave and don't get scared. So my dear friends, this story is about a young woman named Sarah. One day Sarah arrived at a hotel as she was very exhausted because of her long journey. That's why she decided to stay at a hotel. She approached to the reception desk and asked for a room for 2 days. The receptionist, an old man with mysterious smile, looked at her and said, "We are sorry, we are fully booked, but in our hotel there is a room which is haunted." On this, Sarah started laughing and said, "I do not believe that ghosts are exist. Please give me the key of that room. I will hire that room for 2 days." The receptionist said, "I suggest you must not hire that room." But she did not agree, and having taken the key, she entered the room. In the room, she looked hither and thither, as she was very exhausted. First, she decided to just sleep. After some time, she slept. While she was sleeping, what happened, my dear friends? Around 2 o'clock, while she was sleeping, she heard strange noises. She got up. She saw hither and thither. There was nobody in that room except her. She tried to convince herself that this is an old hotel settling. She slept again. After few moments, what happens, my dear friends? She heard a voice whispering in her ears like this, my dear friends. "Sarah, Sarah, Sarah, you must not have hired this room. Now you cannot go out of this room." Hearing this, Sarah got up and she absolutely got scared, and she started shivering like this. And meanwhile, the lights started flickering, and somebody kept on calling her name, Sarah, Sarah. Sarah decided to go out of that room, but the moment she got off the bed, she started heading towards the door. What happens, my dear friends? Somebody held her hand, and when Sarah turned back, my dear friends, she saw a ghost that was not on the floor, my dear friends. That ghost was in the air, and he was absolutely black. His eyes were red. Seeing him, Sarah screamed loudly, "Please save me!" But nobody could go. And after that, she got unconscious, my dear friends. And that ghost started heading towards the window. And the window opened itself, and Sarah was killed. And that ghost took her body with him, my dear friends. And the next morning, when the hotel staff came to the room. Sarah was not there, and Sarah was never seen there again. So, well, guys, this is a fake story, my dear friends. I told you, my dear friends. I created this story for you, my dear friends. My dear friends, if you like the video, please like the video, and if you are new for this channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.